Hey, what's up with your car? Aha! You went to a garage when your engine was in bad shape and not a dealership, right? There are so many counterfeit spark plugs around here. Someone might try to trick you and install a counterfeit part when you need a replacement. It can be so dangerous. Listen up, and I'll tell you why. In cars, the spark plug creates a spark to ignite and burn the compressed gasoline and air in the engine. This is what makes it move, so it's really important for it to create a strong spark at the right time. Let's take a close look at the tip where the spark comes out. The spark plug's tip is inside the engine where it's 2,000 degrees Celsius. You could melt iron, and the pressure reaches up to 45 times the atmospheric pressure on Earth. That's like putting a 150 kilogram weight onto an area as small as the tip of an adult index finger. So when a poorly performing spark plug is used, the car can't accelerate smoothly, leading to accidents and even engine breakdowns. It's dangerous. In spark plugs, the spark is everything. This is the spark plug that was in your car. This is a genuine spark plug. They look the same, don't they? Okay, now I'm going to test to see if they perform differently. I compare their durability first. Compared to the genuine part, the counterfeit part got thinner and the edges became rounded. I wonder how the sparks come out when it's like that. After 100,000 kilometers, the genuine part is still correctly producing strong sparks. Meanwhile, the electrode on the counterfeit part has worn down, making sparks jump to the side. When sparks jump sideways, the fuel doesn't burn correctly, leading to incomplete combustion. It's so different when you compare it to normal combustion, right? When there's incomplete combustion, there's less power pushing the piston, so the engine also has less power. When several incomplete combustions are detected, you'll see a warning lamp telling you to get your engine checked by a dealer. If you keep driving with the warning lamp on, the car won't accelerate like it should when you put your foot on the accelerator. This affects fuel efficiency, and there's even a chance of an accident when merging or something. To see why there was such a difference, I took a closer look at the tip where the spark comes out. In the genuine part, iridium is used. It's hard and doesn't melt, even at 2,000 degrees. That means it can produce strong sparks even after running for 100,000 kilometers. That's why so many iridium spark plugs are used in Toyota vehicles these days. For the counterfeit part, even though it says iridium on the box, there's none in there at all, so it's not going to last. When I looked over everything, I found one more thing. There was a difference in the metal used in the plug. Every genuine part uses copper, but the counterfeit part doesn't use any. Because the engine is burning gasoline, it produces heat, and it's really important for that heat to be released quickly. Take a look. Because there's no copper in the counterfeit part, it's not good at releasing heat. So heat builds up in the spark plug. I did an experiment to see what happens because of this difference. This testing equipment lets us figure out the temperature zones where spark plugs can correctly ignite. We can also see the timings for spark plug ignitions and combustions. With the genuine part, compression, ignition, combustion. With the counterfeit part, compression, ignition, combustion? The genuine part ignites correctly and then the fuel burns. But with the counterfeit part, sometimes the fuel burns before the spark. This kind of unusual combustion can melt the spark plug, placing stress on engine parts. When using counterfeit parts, you might even break the engine if you keep driving when the engine starts making strange noises. Digging deeper, I also found that the counterfeit parts are at the same performance levels as spark plugs used in household lawnmowers and golf carts. I really can't believe how badly they perform. Genuine spark plugs. They keep your engine safe and keep it running well. The spark plug's mission is to produce strong sparks, and those crucial sparks come out from the tip. Before being shipped out, the tip on every single genuine spark plug is cross-checked with engineering specifications to an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter. They are strictly inspected to maintain quality. Got it? And that's why, when you feel your engine is in bad shape or when the warning light comes on, for your safety, Toyota Authorized Workshops. There you go.